Morning, guys.
Morning again from Thailand.
How are you? Hope you're all well. Now, Dave and I are on our way to Him Na Mae. It's a really relaxing kind of chill place where you can just, they've got nets that you can just lay in that are atop the trees and so forth. So that would be really, really cool to show you guys. So come with us. But on the way, we passed this place. We're not quite sure what it is. The monument of King Narasuan the Great. So let's have a little look, shall we? Now there seem to be a lot of these roosters.
These ones are pretty decent size.
And this thing is huge.
You don't want that to be real.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's about 7-8 foot tall.
I know, it's crazy, amazing. But there's not just one.
There's 4 here.
There are 4 in total. So there and just over there. We've also got some cock-a-doodle-doos. Look at that glorious, glorious view.
Army personnel over there and guns.
Wow, okay.
We're not going over there.
We're not going over there. We're not going over there because we're not quite sure whether we're allowed.
Yeah, it's got a rack of guns
here.
over there. Rifles.
Yeah. I'm not sure whether you can see that from here, but there are a rack of rifles. So,
there's even a couple of guns over there, artillery.
Oh, okay.
It must be the army base.
Well, let's go for a little walk over there. Just very quickly. Oh, look, more.
Oh no, that's
more cocks.
That's the backup.
The backup.
Yeah. What's that thing? Jurassic Park, the little predators. Raptor things.
Oh, the raptors. They do look like little raptors, but poultry-like. So let's go and have a look at what that monument over there says. Hopefully it's not all in Thai because we still can't read Thai. Yeah, from here it looks all Thai. Darn. But that's okay. That's okay. There will come a day that we will learn how to read Thai. But today is not that day. Isn't that majestic? It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. And I don't have my sunglasses on and oh my god, I'm melting.
You want mine? These ones aren't the best. It's very warm also when the clouds move.
Yeah, yeah. We've had a couple of nice coolish, I'm not going to say cool, no. Coolish months, and today is just piping hot. Piping hot.
More the UV rays. That's
yeah.
It'll be good. It's going to be going up in the hills anyway.
Absolutely.
Hey, you got
so
raptors, and you got the little minions.
Oh, the little ones. This is absolutely amazing.
Oh, I don't know if you're allowed up there. Honey.
Crazy good. Look at that.
Wow.
That's amazing. And they've all got a different inscription on them. These ones over here all have a different inscription. Oh, and they do too. They all have different inscriptions. So I'm wondering whether they might be a memorial of fallen soldiers.
I'm not sure. The pain.
See, I'm not sure about this. So our Thai subscribers out there, if you could please give us a hand and let us know what this place represents. It's absolutely beautiful though.
Memorial to the king.
Yeah.
So the rest of it I'd have to...
Yeah, I'm just wondering about these here, or whether, see, this is a larger rooster. Perhaps that's someone of higher rank. I don't know. I wish I knew more to share with you guys, but as always, I will be Googling all of this and putting it all in the description and possibly throughout the video as we go. So all of the things that I don't know right now will be on the screen or in the description. So let's go, Dave.
Okay. Back on the road trip.
Let's go. We've arrived.
Yes. It's halfway to Pai, I think. There's that many bends.
There was a little bit of traffic on the road, and it was a little bit hairy at times. Particularly when there's a vehicle in front of you that's just going a little bit too slow.
Braking a lot for no reason. Oh.
But that's all right, we got here. And where are we? You might ask. We're at the Him Na Mae coffee and restaurant. Now, Dave chose this one particularly because it's a little bit unusual, and we'll show you why. We'll bring you on in.
I'm not going to say no. I've only seen a couple of pictures of it. But...
Have you, darling?
Sorry?
Have you?
I've only seen a couple of pictures that got passed on to us. So
okay.
Hopefully
well,
it still looks the same.
Yeah.
That might have been pre-issue.
That might have been a long time ago. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Look at the pretty umbrellas up there. I love that kind of thing. It's a little bit Cambodia-esque, isn't it?
There's a waterfall.
Yeah. There is. Oh, I love the kitty. Oh, look. No place is complete without a guard cap. Hey, kitty. Hello, kitty.
No.
Oh, hello, kitty. Oh, hello, that's so good. Yes. Hi, sawadee ka. Can I video? Is that okay? So, go sit somewhere?
You just video a little bit first?
Yeah, and then we'll choose where to sit. This is a nice little setup.
Oh, there's someone in there. I thought, what the heck?
Oh, yeah. It's a nice little man-made waterfall there.
Well, that is, yeah, but I've done that. There was originally one. Oh, you can walk around up there too.
Oh, awesome. Oh, look, I wouldn't mind being on one of those.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. How calming. So serene and perfect. What a good choice Dave made, hey? Ooh, we've got these brakes to walk on here. Pretty cool. I hope they're all solid. Oh, I hope this music isn't going to be a problem for YouTube, but we'll find out. We shall find out. And it doesn't even matter if it's like, you know, I used to think, oh, because it's recognizable music, recognizable to us.
Yes.
But there was a piece of music that
Oh, this is the end.
YouTube picked up. We are at the end. Where would you like to be?
We've got rooms over there too. You stay here. Oh, we'll have to go back around.
Ow. Ow. Ouch. That was painful. The poor girl is wondering where we're going to sit, Dave. That's really nice over there as well. Yes, actually that's a good idea there, Dave. And we'll just hear the rushing water. Just saying, we'll just hear the rushing water and maybe less music. So the pink one or the blue one? All right. We'll be at the blue one because that's more aesthetically pleasing.
Okay.
Now, while I have you all to myself, I'd just like to thank all of our new subscribers that we've got just lately. We are really thankful to you all for helping us to grow our channel, because that is the aim of what we're doing. We love vlogging, we love gaining content, but as you all know, if you have a YouTube channel yourself, it does take a lot of hard work, and for the most part it is thankless, but it's something that we really enjoy doing. So, and we enjoy bringing different places and foods and so forth to you all. We have our Off the Beaten Track series that is currently running, so by the time this airs, that would have been over and done with. Now our new series will be coming up very shortly, and that will be mainly for tourists and new travellers to Thailand, or maybe even people that have been travelling here for a while. Now what we will be doing is...
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So those things might even make it before this video. Who knows? So guys, we have decided to just place a little order for dinner. Oh, sorry.
Dinner, lunch.
So we've ordered just a couple of dishes from this wonderful place, and check this out. I ordered some crumb shrimp or crumb prawns, and Dave ordered broccoli with prawns.
Yeah.
So check them out. Quick damn fish, hey?
I wanted some broccoli greens.
Yeah, Mo. So
Right?
we only did that mainly because we just had toast for breakfast this morning. And this is just a bit of a top
Oh,
up.
that's nice.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I know it's only just broccoli and carrot, but the sauce that they use, yum.
We have a try of that.
Got some flavour, hasn't it?
The sauce they've used is absolutely delicious.
Mmm.
Let's see what the carrot is like.
But no, it's only basic, but it's still all
Doesn't
needed.
matter.
Just going for the day. Oh, yum.
Sometimes you just really crave some vegetables.
Yeah.
Some vegetables. Just plain vegetables.
There's going to be this or asparagus.
Yeah, most of you probably don't like broccoli, but we love it. We absolutely love it, don't we, darling?
You're not wrong.
All right, so we're going to have our lunch, and then we'll continue on with our journey. We've discovered that there is also accommodation here.
Yeah.
So I'm not quite sure how you would probably look that up. I guess under the same name.
Well, if you wanted to chill out in the hills, you've got a couple
Yeah.
there and over here.
And you've got a playground area there as well. So if you have kids, bring them along.
You walk over here.
It's so chill, so peaceful.
Scary bridge that I balanced on, and we'll do that afterwards if you want.
No way, thank you. Thank you, but no.
You've got... Oh, hold on. If you walk out there, you'll see in the front of this building. There's no one there. 3 places here.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
like
see.
the bed, you relax tonight, you go out all day. Well, these two here, you can actually sit on the top of the roof afterwards.
Oh wow, how cool is that?
Oh,
You have your own little rooftop bar
That's
that you can
looking-
create for
looking
yourself.
back from where we were. We've turned the water
We
fountains
were
off.
over there.
Yeah, way down the back.
It's just really beautifully done.
So I'm not sure about asking how much accommodation would be here. They've got a couple of concrete ones. And there's
See, it says no shaking, Dave. You must have shaken it.
no, I didn't. I was just walking. And you've even got one here that made a sea container.
5 people at a time. So take note, people.
1 metre.
If you do go up there on that shaky bridge.
You want to do it?
No, I don't. Don't shake it, and only 5 people at a time. So you have been told. Oops. And I almost went AOT.
We slide the sea container.
Oh, Actually, that's quite eclectic, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just a very
balcony. You got your bed, your toilet,
different way of
TV.
going about things. That's quite interesting. People might be in there, Dave, so perhaps not.
No, there's no one in there. It's just a basic, just a bedroom.
Yeah, well, it would want to be. You don't want an apartment
No,
or anything like that. It's just.
Well,
yeah.
you've got an aircon, so you're going to be alright.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure you
well,
can see much in
nah,
there, but there's just a bed, guys. Just a bed, a fridge, aircon, and a TV, and your water. You know,
And a
like a
Hong
normal hotel setup.
Yeah.
Speaking of Hong Nam,
You got a fireman?
this counterpart of the Judy and Dave in Thailand partnership needs one.
So if you're out exploring the hills and you don't want to go back all the way back to Chiang Mai, you could drop in here because you've got food till late. You got drinks. Alcoholic drinks if you want one. Or normal ones.
Yes.
Ice cream.
Indeedy do. Who the hell says indeedy do?
You do.
No, I think I got that from Flanders.
Indeed
Simpsons?
you do. Oh,
Indeedy
no.
do. Indeedly doodly do. Now, as we're exiting, there is a lovely little shop.
Just on
So
the front on the side of the road, yeah.
yeah, so even if you didn't decide to come in and have a meal or anything like that, and you just wanted to stop and
A
have
break.
yeah, a break, a bevy, something cold in your mouth, come on in. Let's just settle there, Dave.
All your coffees.
Yeah, got everything you need to carry on with your trip. And there's more music that will ruin my
I know.
ruin my video. Oh, but it happens all the time, and sometimes. Oh look, you know,
Bye.
someone's waving you in.
Bye.
They're waving you in. There they are. Yeah, sometimes there's. Well, a lot of the time there's music
Everywhere.
and we just have to either dub over the top of it so you can see our mouths moving and nothing else, and just some really nice music that we put on that is not copyright. All right, guys, see you at the next spot.
Hey.